Hi folks, hello again, welcome back to my channel. Beaming smile. I have been hiding this from you for a very long period of time. I am over the moon. I'm delighted to announce that I am going to be appearing on the next series, so series 3 of Handmade Britain's Best Woodworker. The new series starts on Sunday the 8th of October at 8 p.m. on Channel 4. For international viewers, I will get back to you as quick as I can when I hear from the production team, because I do know they sell the rights to this programme internationally. Or if you're in the likes of the States, Australia, and you've seen this programme in its previous series, could you let me know what network or what channel or whatever it was on, and I could feed that into the comment section, could pin it so other people could have a look, and hopefully you'd be able to catch the series. Yeah, I've been sat on this for ages. I will go into more detail about my cover story in future content, and up until literally a few days ago, there were 3 people outside of the whole production that actually knew that I'd gone and done it. So being able to, it does feel like a little bit of a weight off my shoulders in a really positive way, because I'm delighted that I now have the opportunity initially to share with you, that I'm going to be there, I'm going to be on the show, and you know, and be able to relate those experiences as well. There's a couple of things I would like to say here, because it's only going to be a short video, because obviously I can't really say very much about it at the moment, apart from the fact I'm going to be on it. It genuinely, for me, was a once in a lifetime opportunity. I was blessed and privileged to be a part of this program, and the fundamental core reasoning and value of that was it gave me the opportunity to meet 9 incredible people who are the other, they don't say the word contestants, they say contributors. And what a marvellous bunch of folk they were, and to have the opportunity to be involved in a programme like this, incredible, absolutely amazing. To have the opportunity to meet those 9 other folk and stay in contact with them, and since has been, you know, phenomenal. I'm genuinely, really am blessed for that to have happened. If you are interested to know who the other folk are, the best form of social media which every one of the contributors is involved in is Instagram. And what I'll do in the description to this video, I will leave a link to everybody's Instagram page. So please, you know, if you're on Instagram, click it, go on, do a follow, like, whatever we do social media wise, and say hello, you know, because I'm sure they are just as excited about this whole thing as I am. And you know, that, you know, please, you know, I hope you can follow and support them, you know, like you do for myself. I really appreciate that. Secondly, I'd really like to take this opportunity to thank the production company, a company called Plimsoll Productions, and Channel 4 themselves, for really going out of their way to accommodate me as a disabled person with the adaptations that I needed to take a full role within the show. You know, I really thank them for their kindness, for the willing to listen, and the responsiveness and their patience with me at times in the build up to the programme, bombarding them with emails and things that were popping into my head. And they were just a fantastic group of people to be involved with, and to make me feel so welcome, and I just really want to thank them for that. Finally, just a little bit about the show. You might never have seen it before. I I think it comes under the heading of factual entertainment. So it starts in a beautiful, and it's based in a beautiful part of South Wales, where 10 contributors, so not called contestants, contributors descend on this beautiful part of South Wales and are given a woodworking task to make something. And they then have 2 days to complete this task, and they are judged. And then at the end of the judging process, there is a woodworker of the week, and somebody also goes home at the end of that episode. I think that's probably a good summary for me to say it. If you weren't paying attention to any of that, or you thought it was a little bit convoluted, it's basically Bake Off, but it's woodworking instead of baking. The format is very, very similar. So if you enjoyed that kind of thing, then, you know, I hope you'd enjoy this program as well. So I just wanted to get this video out, folks, just to, you know, let you know about it. I'm delighted that I can now, you know, mention it on my social medias, mention it on YouTube. You know, there's a lot of you out there who have been following me since the very early days of YouTube, you know, so we're talking, or it must be getting up towards nearly 5 years now, 4.5 years, over 200 videos, and a lot of you have been there since the early days when I was making candle holders, and there was no voice, there was no me in front of the camera because of where I was at in that time in my life with, you know, ongoing struggles with mental health and stuff. So to go from that to then finally plucking up the courage to stand in front of his phone in his leaky garage and talk about impact drivers or, you know, making a table or something, to making this rather incredible workshop and growing the YouTube channel and setting up from a hobby to a small part-time business venture. And there's so many of you followed me on that rather long journey to me now sat in front of my phone still with a better audio, a better microphone, talking about you know, going on TV to try and showcase my one-handed woodworking skills. My mind's blown. You know, it's what an incredible time, what an incredible experience, and I can't wait to share those show experiences with you in future content, and being able to talk about things, hopefully do some, you know, follow-up videos. Might have an Ask Me Anything as well. I'm sure there'll be folk who'll be interested in that. Yeah, I'm still trying to get my head around it, folks. But just to let you know again, as I say, the first episode, it's going to be aired on Sunday evenings. The first episode is Sunday, the 8th of October at 8 p.m. on Channel 4. I'd imagine that's kind of like a real prestigious time for it to be going out. So, you know, what a great time for other folk, not just woodworkers, to get involved, enjoy the programme and get to know some incredible people, because they genuinely are. The people you will get to know on that show are just a fantastic bunch of folk. All right, I was really blessed, I was really lucky to be involved in that. Right, folks, that's enough of me waffling. So, you know, as ever, you know, take care, you know, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. All right, thanks for watching.